in a hive.
Holy, look at her. She's swallowing it whole.
I know I did erase the web in a hive. What did you use, Mom?
I just threw them in because somebody lost my feeding tongs. I wonder who did that. Quail eggs?
I didn't know you had more.
No, there's like 3 left. Go get the other one. Come on. That is not like comfortable.
Give me your gloves.
No, I don't want to use my gloves. I just dropped them in on her basking spot. Look at that, she's gonna go get that one now. Oh, don't drop it. Why is she so messy?
Yeah.
Oh. Throwing the egg around.
She's making a big, huge mess.
She must have learned that from you.
Oh, Sonic, that's something you can grab on. She's stealing it from everyone else. The crickets, you don't get this. Crickets, don't get this.
She looks so funny like that with her throat full.
Do you have to climb up that? She does not want anyone taking away his dinner. Jump to the other one.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Oh, you want some more? Oh.
Do you
What
want
about your
some
tongue?
more, Missy? There's a cricket up there.
I know, they're bad.
Look up there.
Look, I see them up there. I know.
And tell them to